Sharing a few moments with you every week is always full of memories and inspirations. Happy New Month to you all, distinct people. I celebrate you. It's been a while now that I've always wanted to talk about character. Have you ever realized that the character you refuse to cater for will alter the career you timely cater for in life? Because your character is your life, and your life is your character. I refer to character as the basic and the foundation of life. Character could either be good or bad. If it is bad, then there is a need to quickly work on it for it to become good. And when it is good, you need to continue to build on it, because the more perfect you think you are, based on your character, the more you realize that you still need to learn, develop, and know more, even in this race of life. And here is one thing about learning. Learning is never static. See, it becomes a big problem in our world today when people mistake charisma for character. Character is not charisma, and charisma is not character. Character is built and developed, while charisma can only be displayed. Charisma is an act, while character is the main action that defines an individual. Charisma minimizes your influence in life, but character helps you to maximize your influence in life. Charisma is a short-time virtue, while character is a long-time virtue. Your character is your true identity. It can never be hidden. Character is like a smoke. No matter how smart you are and how intelligent you are in keeping it or hide it, it will end up revealing its source. It is your perception of a particular person or thing that dictates your attitude towards that person, which expresses your character towards that person. When you don't love a person, everything that person does will always irritate you and get you angry and unsatisfied. So what do you use to keep in your mind? What do you use to keep in your mind? What do you use to fill your mind with when you see a person? When you go to a place, what are those things you keep in your mind? Because the way you see a particular thing will determine the action you display about that thing. And yes, character, it is very strong. When you have it, good, you enjoy your life. When you miss it, when it is the other side, you miss it. Character defines you. Don't forget that I said that. Every process and development around you piss you off just because of your perspective about a particular thing. But when you have a good perspective of a person or things around you, it changes your orientation and your mentality about that thing. Then your character will be positive towards that thing. So when exactly will you change your mindset? When exactly will you be involved in the process that supports and leads to progress in life? There are so many factors in life that reveals a person's true character. The first one, pressure. Immediately something changes, especially when there is a need. When expectation arises, people begin to show different forms of character. People begin to complain and show different forms of attitude. The second one, commitment. A lot of people get frightened when commitment shows up in their life, when responsibility comes up in their lives. The third one, when certain principles and instructions are not going their way or as they expect, they begin to grumble within and end up busting up, which reveals their true character. If there is anything that everyone in this world at a point in their lives will be tested on. It has to be their character. No matter how much good quality you have in your life, if it is not compounded and rooted and based on good character, you are still incomplete. Your character gives a clear direction to your destination and dictates your pace and place of destiny in life. The effort you put daily into building and developing your character is revealed in your daily performance. Remember, a belief in yourself makes you live in the reality of yourself.